Ex-girlfriend of Brian Laundrie's came forward. She gives us details of how connected his family really is, and believes that Brian Laundrie is alive.
So at this point, I feel like I can talk about the whole Brian Laundrie situation. At first, I didn't want to talk about it because of the fact that my safety, I didn't know where was going on. But let me just put this out there, guys. He's not dead. I promise you, he's not dead. I know his family very well, and his family would be broken if he was dead. Broken, okay? His sister especially would be like, oh my God, like, I don't know about you guys, but if you guys are fooled by this scam that I called it in the beginning, Northport police are garbage. But now I'm open to answering some questions about my relationship with Brian, because at this point he's probably living Joe Goldberg's life in Paris. But I want you guys to understand something. I don't know what just happened, but I just posted a whole video and it got deleted, okay? Got deleted from TikTok. Don't know why, but I personally think the FBI is not taking this as serious as it should be. I do believe that money is key when it comes to doing anything in the United States. And also keep in mind that his mom and his family are majorly connected within the police force, especially in Northport. I'm just gonna say that. I know for a fact there is a cousin or some family member that is in the police force. And I want you guys to understand something. Northport police is a joke. That you can get away with anything, just so you know. Okay?